Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk life, food, family, and fun. I hope you will consider subscribing, and if you do, hit that bell so you're notified of every video I post, which I post every Tuesday and Thursday, and you're always gonna get something new. So hit that subscribe button and the bell. And today, we're doing a little bit of fun. It's some kitchen hacks, and I'm gonna show you 3 kitchen hacks that will make your life a little bit easier when you are cooking in the kitchen. And I think they're kind of fun. So wanna know what they are? Stay tuned, and let's do this. Scouring the internet, and actually I saw another YouTuber try this one hack, and so I thought, hey, I've got to try this out and see if it works, and then add a couple more in there as well, just to have a full video for myself. And so I tried 3 different ones, and we are going to go into the kitchen and check it out. And the first one is the one I'm actually the most excited about, because we cut avocados like it's going out of style in our family. We put it on everything. And so when you want to dice those avocados, you got to cut it in half, and then you got to slice it down, and then slice it across, and then scoop it out. And this hack uses a cooling rack to slice it in a matter of about 5 seconds. Check it out. Okay, let's see if we can chop this into little squares just by doing this. Ready? Dude, totally worked. I just didn't get that out. Go through. Be free, little fella. Wow, you can make guac in 5 seconds. You don't have to chop it. You don't have to slice it. You don't have to do anything. Let's do it again. Definitely have to be ripe though, because it doesn't seem like it would push through if it wasn't. That is awesome. Done. Hack number 1, success. Okay, hack number 2 is separating an egg yolk from an egg white, and sometimes you're just juggling back and forth with those, or trying to stick it through your fingers, and then it gets all messy. And this just uses a wok spoon to just crack it right into it over a bowl, and out comes the white in the bottom and the yolk on top. Let's see if it works. And then just pop it there. That works. So I guess you just get a little bit separated, dump the yolk in another bowl, and you got your whites. So yeah, that works. Hack number 2, thumbs up. And hack number 3 is to make the perfect fries using an apple cutter. Let's see if that works. And hack number 3 is making the perfect French fries with fresh potatoes and an apple slicer. Let's just cut off the bottom so that it stands up like that. Put that in the middle. Like that. And then you just, the core one, slice in half. So this totally works. It makes more of like those wedge cut fries, which would really be fun. So then you just soak these in water for a little while, and then pat them dry with a paper towel, and then you're gonna fry them. You could also bake these, but they'll come out better fried, and actually they come out way better if you fry it for a few minutes, drain it, salt them, then fry it for a few minutes more, drain them, salt them. They're double fried, double crispy, double amazing. But yes, this totally works, super easy, and they're all the same size, just about, which is pretty cool. Hack number 3, thumbs up. Okay, so my final thoughts is the avocado one is genius. I mean, that was amazing. It worked in 5 seconds. You do need to make sure that the avocado is ripe, because if it's not gonna push through. But that was amazing. And they were all the same size, uniform. You need to make sure, obviously, that you have a cooling rack that is the squares and not just slices. Although maybe if you wanted slices, maybe you could use one of those ones that just have vertical wires. Trying that next. I don't know if that would work real precise, but that's kind of awesome. The egg one was okay. I think if you crack the egg yolk in and then you just shook it a little bit, dump the egg yolk out in a bowl and let the rest of it go through, it would be much quicker. It did work. It just took a little bit longer than I expected it to. The potato, I actually really liked that one. I think you need to get a really durable apple cutter. That plastic one that I have a feeling it would break pretty easily if I was doing this all the time. But what's really cool about it is that all the potato wedges, they make like wedge fries, they're all pretty much the same size. And so that worked pretty good. I liked that. We roasted those with some Parmesan and garlic and olive oil and parsley. Yum. That was really good. So that worked really well. Okay, so there you have it, 3 kitchen hacks that make your life a little bit easier. I hope you found this video informative and helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody that you think might find this useful, especially as we're coming into summer season and avocado season. I need to make some guac right now. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.